Welcome to What Is, the channel where we ask the important what is questions. And today's question is, what is blood? Did you know that your body houses about 5 liters of blood? But what exactly is this vital fluid? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of blood, what it is, what it does, and why it's so important. It's a complex and dynamic tissue that performs a multitude of functions essential to our survival. Now, let's break down this vital substance. Blood is a body fluid that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. It's a specialized fluid made up of various components that work together to keep us alive. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes, play a crucial role in our immune system. Platelets play a crucial role in blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding when we're injured. When a blood vessel is damaged, platelets rush to the scene and stick to the site of the injury. They release chemicals that help form a plug to stop bleeding, and they also activate other components of the blood clotting process. Platelets are essential for keeping us from bleeding to death from even a small cut. We often hear about blood types like A, B, and O, which refer to the presence or absence of certain antigens and antibodies in the blood. These blood types are important, especially when it comes to blood transfusions. From the oxygen-carrying capacity of red blood cells to the immune-boosting power of white blood cells, the clotting abilities of platelets, and the life-sustaining transport system of plasma. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more exciting science videos. Your support means the world to us. Once again, thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of science. The world is full of wonders, and we're here to help you discover them all. Thanks for watching. Blood is truly a remarkable substance that keeps us alive and thriving. It's a complex, efficient, and adaptable system that's essential for our survival. So the next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate the incredible blood that flows through your veins, keeping you healthy and full of life. If a person receives a blood type that's not compatible with their own, their immune system may attack the transfused blood cells, leading to a potentially fatal reaction. That's why it's so important to know your blood type and receive compatible blood if you need a transfusion. There are several types of white blood cells, each with its own unique function. Some, like neutrophils and macrophages, engulf and destroy invaders. Donating blood is a selfless act that can save lives. When you donate blood, it goes through a rigorous testing process to ensure it's safe and effective. The donated blood is separated into its different components: red blood cells, plasma, and platelets. Each component is tested for various diseases and then stored for future use. Red blood cells are used to treat people with anemia or those who have lost a lot of blood due to an accident or surgery. Plasma is used for people who have bleeding disorders or who need help with their blood clotting. Platelets are used for people who are undergoing chemotherapy or who have a low platelet count, which can cause excessive bleeding. Donating blood is a truly remarkable way to help others. A single donation can actually save multiple lives. It's a testament to the incredible power of our blood and the difference one person's generosity can make. This makes up about 55% of blood's overall content. Plasma is a yellowish liquid that carries the other components of blood throughout the body. Firstly, it acts as a transportation system. As we mentioned earlier, it delivers essential substances like oxygen and nutrients to our cells while removing waste products. Without blood, our cells would suffocate without oxygen and starve without essential nutrients. Secondly, blood helps regulate body temperature, maintaining a stable internal environment. Thirdly, it plays a crucial role in fighting infections and healing wounds. The white blood cells identify and neutralize pathogens, while platelets form clots to stop bleeding and heal wounds. Lastly, blood carries hormones, chemical messengers that regulate various bodily functions, ensuring they reach their target organs. It's mostly made up of water, but also contains important substances like proteins, electrolytes, hormones, and waste products. Plasma plays a vital role in transporting blood cells, nutrients, hormones, and wastes throughout the body. It helps regulate body temperature and plays a role in wound healing and blood clotting. Others, like T cells and B cells, coordinate the immune response by identifying specific threats and producing antibodies. White blood cells are also responsible for the immune memory that allows our bodies to recognize and fight off the same infection more easily the second time around. Isn't it amazing how our bodies have this incredible defense system working tirelessly to keep us healthy? So grab a beaker, put on your lab coat. First, we have red blood cells. These are the most numerous cells in our blood, and their primary role is to transport oxygen from our lungs to every cell in our body. They are called erythrocytes in scientific terms, and they get their characteristic red color from a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains iron, which gives blood its distinctive hue. These cells have a unique biconcave shape, kind of like a donut with a smooth center. This shape increases their surface area, allowing for efficient gas exchange. But did you know that red blood cells have a lifespan of about 120 days? After their job is done, they're broken down in the spleen or liver, and new ones are produced in the bone marrow. It's time to explore. Blood, a life-sustaining fluid that courses through our veins, is much more than just a red liquid. What is blood? Now let's look at the four main components of blood. Next, we come to white blood cells. These are the body's defense system, constantly on the lookout for and eliminating threats like bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi. Now, let's talk about platelets. These tiny irregular-shaped cells are actually fragments of larger cells called megakaryocytes. Now, let's take a closer look at the remaining component of blood, plasma. As you can see, each of these components has a vital role to play. And together they form a complex, efficient, and life-sustaining system. Now that we know the individual parts of blood, let's discuss why it's so important. Blood is vital for several reasons. One interesting fact about blood is that it comes in different types. Now, let's talk about the importance of blood donation. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please don't forget to hit the like button.